Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Dania.
Yeah. We're waiting for, I don't know. So this is 9:05. 9:05. Should we wait extra minutes? Okay, we have 5 already. So, Idris.
Wow, coming in.
Yeah. Wait, where did I drop my message?
You're asking
Is
us.
it? Wasn't it on the group?
I saw you when you were typing, but yeah, it's in the group now.
Okay. I'm seeing Team 7. I'm wondering where the Team 7
Oh no,
came
no,
from.
those are other messages in that community.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Have we been now? Fortune, Idris, Emmanuel. What's going on? What's in the pipeline? How is the learning curve going? I had one blow for you.
Hi, Mike. Good evening. All that well. Thank you.
I deal
Hi,
with
Daniel. Hi, Emmanuel.
I
And I
yourself.
do. Yeah, we thank God. Thanks.
Good to hear that. Good to hear that. Your own head never explode, man. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna wait till 9:10, right?
Well, 9:10 is not bad. It's a good starting point.
All right.
Ah, I'm freaking tired.
We have a minute more to go before we start. Good to have you here, Fermi.
Hi, Ganiyat. Good evening. Good
Good
evening,
evening.
everybody.
Okay, so it's 9:10. We can start now. We have a good number of us here. 8. Fair enough. So let's start. So I'll start by displaying my screen, but we need someone to share the Power BI because I can't be operating it too while I'm reading from the integrated projects guide. I cannot be managing the Power BI at the same time. So it means that while I share the Power BI, the integrated projects, while I share it and I'm reading, we can.
Recording in progress.
Okay, we can have someone share their Power BI workbench. Okay. All right, so let's start. Good evening, everyone. Once again, it's good to have you all here. Briefly, we'll be walking into we are starting the lesson. I mean, did I say lesson? The project. Okay. Michael said, I reached out to Michael earlier and he said the walkthrough had been done yesterday. So it means that we'll be starting the project. We'll be kickstarting the project immediately. All right.
Yeah.
Sir?
Do not misquote me. I said it has been stated yesterday that because we already had the time of yesterday, we'll just dive into the project straight today, not having to walk through anymore. We just dive in straight into it because we've already spent one day. You know, yesterday was a recap of what we did last time, when our last sprint. So today we are
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. All right. In the light of that, can I share my screen? I believe so.
You have access to do that. You have access.
Yes, sir. I see that. Thank you. Okay. Jesus takes the wheel. All right. Share screen. Please, can you all see my screen? Can you see my screen? Yes.
Yes, you are ready.
Yes. How am I hearing myself? Okay. What's this? I'm sorry. This is looking like, okay. I don't even know what is going on here. Please. Okay. Open now. Sorry, I didn't know I was muted. Please, can you all hear me? Hello?
Yes, I can hear you now, loud and clear.
Thank you. Okay, so I'll just do a summary because so it says congratulations on next steps for addressing gender inequality in water access. So here, this is Aziza Naledi, just doing a more like a recap of what we did. Recap of what we did in SQL and the project we did in SQL. Also introducing us to data visualization and Power BI, and then introducing us to Power BI and Power BI and data visualization, and also telling us who is going to be walking us through it. So that is what this particular page or slide is all about. And the aim is to create a narrative that is informative and compelling, yet balanced and objective. We need to ensure our report is a tool for decision-making, providing a clear picture of the current situation and guiding future strategies and intervention. All right, so here it says, I'm confident in your ability. So this is here, I'm just talking about, this is Aziza, still talking about Dalila and how he is confident in our ability to lead us through the data visualization sprints. All right, so here is Dalila replying President Naledi and appreciating him for assigning her to walk us through the project. All right, and then we'll go into the introduction of the project, which is here. Hello, team. I'm excited to work with each and every one of you. I don't know if it is necessary for me to read this, but this is
Sorry, Auntie Ghanian. I think you should. I mean, your voice will give us a better ambience into the story by telling us the story.
okay. So I should read through,
Yeah.
right? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, all right. So this is Daniela. This is the facilitator or the moderator, the virtual moderator who is supposed to walk us through the project. I mean, for the next 4 weeks. So here, hello team. The team is us. I'm excited to work with each of you on this pivotal project to highlight the findings from the survey data you worked on, and to add a dimension to our analysis, looking at the gender inequality in water access in Maji Ndogo. You may wonder, why are you doing this? The answer lies in the power of data to illuminate truths that are often overlooked. Our goal is to make these truths not just visible, but visceral, compelling people to act. I'll explain some of the data we have in a minute, but we have a lot of thinking to do before we start creating anything. You've all seen the principles of design, and I'm entrusting these decisions to you, whether it's choosing the right color palette or selecting impactful visuals. The choices will be yours to make, but I'll be showing you my thinking. My role here is to guide you through the intricate world of Power BI and to help transform our survey's finding into visual stories that resonate with whoever sees them. Let's pause for a second so I can update you on everything that happened in the last couple of months. A lot of the teams have started using ChatGPT to help them out. One note on that, ChatGPT was trained on a version of Power BI that has changed a lot. So its advice is not very good with Power BI related tasks. Some of the more, do I need to further throw more light on this, or it's self-explanatory? Someone is doing something on my screen. Boye. Boye Victoria. Please, you are designing on my screen. I don't know if I'm the only one that's seen it. Okay, so a lot of my teams have started using ChatGPT to help them out. One note on that, ChatGPT was trained on a version of Power BI that has changed a lot. So its advice is not very good with Power BI related tasks. Some of the more programmatic things in Power BI will still work fine, but be careful if you ask about how to do something. Okay. When the field surveyors visited the different water sites, They took a lot of photos. Sana, our incredible data scientist, looked at the photos and realized we could learn a lot from them. Does someone want to say anything? Okay. So Sana, our incredible data scientist, looked at the photos and realized we could learn a lot from them if we use AI. So here is the brilliant part. Sana used something called machine learning, a type of artificial intelligence, to analyze these photos. She always impresses me with when we talk. Think of it as teaching a computer to recognize patterns, almost like how a child learns to identify shapes or colors. In our case, Sana trained the computer to detect people in the pictures, but even better, she figured out a way to see if the people in the queues were men, women, or children. So for each visit, we have an idea of the percentage men, women, and children in each queue. Anyway, here is an example of what her team did. Okay. Okay, I think we are going into so here the AI identifies, so this is the photo Sana took, and we have, so this place is, located in Sokoto, Amani Loop 42. And this is the record ID, 17,399. Here, the AI identifies the different people in the image, classifies them, and then counts each type. Sana sent us a table with the record ID linked to the one from the visits table and percentage composition as male, female, or child. So for each time a queue time was recorded, we now know how many men, women, and children were in the queue at that time. Okay, so the table that was generated from, the table Sana generated, or the data set rather, Sana generated, is represented here. So here is a link to the latest version of the data. We have it here, MD summary, a CSV file. Okay, if you're using a virtual, so here this is where I will have to stop sharing my screen and meet someone who has not. Oh, okay. Let me just ask, has every one of us downloaded our Power BI? Is it download? Has every one of us done that? Let me call your names, please. Shweton, Michael, have you?
Yes, I have.
You want to say,
I have
do you want to say something?
No,
You're
no,
raising your hand.
raising my hand so that everybody will not talk chorously now. I was raising my hand to answer you. Did you hear that? Hello?
Your phone. Yeah. How about Emmanuel? Are you using your phone or your system?
I haven't downloaded
My phone,
some-
I joined from.
Who said I haven't downloaded? You're using your phone, Emmanuel, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So who else said I haven't downloaded, please?
Me, Chidima.
Okay. So are you using your system or your phone now?
My phone.
Hey, wait. Please, who is using system that has not downloaded? We just need to work. Okay, Michael, yes, you are raising your hand.
Yeah, so I don't know if we have a couple of people that have not done the
Effective. I have to just mouth it, like just explain it orally without practical representation. So I need someone who hasn't downloaded, who joined the meeting or session with their system, so that we can use the person's workbench or system to do the walkthrough. That's why I'm asking.
Okay.
So anyone, I know Fermi has it. Take it up there. I'm sure she would have done that. I'm a proactive member. Well, Okpeoluwa, you're probably still on the
Hi,
way.
Gania.
Who else, please? Who's that?
Hi, Gania.
Chidi.
I actually have Idris.
Idris, okay.
I actually have a version downloaded on my system before, but I don't know if it's the same thing as the workbench you are speaking to.
I don't know. Can you display? Let's see. Let the elders in the house take a look at it.
Okay, let me display.
So I'll have to stop sharing now. This is where we come to a crossroad. All right. Do I stop sharing? Please, Mike, how do I stop sharing? Oh Lord.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. How do I stop sharing?
So you can see that
Oh,
red button. Yeah.
yeah, thank you. All right. So so who was going to volunteer? That was who spoke last? Chika, right?
Idris.
Idris. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sharing now.
This is
what
it.
I have. I don't know if
This is actually it. This is it. Am I right? Elders in the house. Am I right? Gurus in the house, please. Joined with my phone. Okay, Fortune. Okay, Idris, this is it. This is the same one we are using. Please, who else has it?
I thought you said workbench.
And yeah, I'm just someone who hasn't downloaded at all, who doesn't have it installed on their system at all, so that we can just use the person's.
Sorry, Gania.
Yes, sir.
I think you can also add that it does not necessarily has to be that the person will walk us through the process. Someone who has also done it can walk us through the process. You just need to share your screen while they guide you, so that others can learn how to do the installation from your own sharing. I don't know if that would make sense.
Okay. Okay, so okay. All right. In that case, anybody can share with us. Alima, you said you already have it. Okay. Fortune, I've been unavailable. Oyindamola Falade, how about you? Oh, you're using your phone. Okay. I think I've seen that. Who else? Ndubisi Henry, you have it already. Ibukun, IBK, do you have it? Let me explore the options before I call. IBK, please, are you here with us, please? I have it already. Okay. Okay. All right. So almost everybody. Nice one. It means that everybody is working. Okay. Let's have a volunteer then, since we all have it. Let's have a volunteer share their screen. So while we use the person's screen to do the walkthrough. Please, let's have a volunteer. I cannot be navigating or running helter skelter.
I think we have a regular screen share now.
The regular screen sharing. Okay, you mean for me?
Sorry. Good evening, everyone. Ganiat, I've not done mine, and I can share my screen. This is Chika.
All right, brilliant. Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you. Please share. Ah, Jesus.
Please give me a second, please.
No, it's fine. Okay.
Please let me know you can see my screen.
Yes, we can.
Okay.
No, no, no. No, you're going to your browser. Just go to your browser. So,
So this is my browser. I'm actually on my browser.
oh, okay.
Is that what's showing?
Yes, it is.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
I'm coming. I need to, what's this? Please give me a second. I'm not leaving.
Let me see if I can increase my font.
Please, if you don't have it, just drop a comment in the section. Just say I don't. If you don't have it installed on your system yet, just drop a comment. Let's know the number of those that have not that do not have it yet, so that we'll not be playing ourselves. Just drop a comment. Okay, I don't. That's Chika 1. Any other person? Okay, 2. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, so let's go. So on your browser, so the reason we need this here, it says if you're using a MacBook, you're going to have a virtual machine, something. It says if you're using a virtual machine, Mac users, I have some advice. Before you import data into Power BI, make sure the file you are using is on the VM. I don't know anything about that, please. I apologize. I'm a Windows user, please. So I'll only be walking us through the Windows. Sorry, who's that? Sorry, is someone trying to say something?
No, sorry about that.
Okay. All right. So the reason we need to do this because we need the Chika, right? You have to stay through to the end of this. In fact, all right, so let's go. Sorry, please. Now go to your browser and type powerbi.microsoft.com.
Ganiat,
Yes.
I would like to chip in something. I don't know. Yeah, when did I see the Windows installation, Abby?
What?
I said this is the Windows Power BI installation, Abby.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I don't know, but I think someone said it is better to install it through the Microsoft Play Store because Power BI has updates, like they update it very often.
Okay.
So if you install it through the Play Store, it updates automatically.
Through the Play Store. Oh, okay. So can you walk us through that? Can you walk us through that?
No, it's just you know that store where you can download all the apps on your system. I don't know if everybody has it, but it's like Play Store is like a store where you can download any app you want.
Oh well. I don't think I've explored that before, but we really appreciate if you can walk us through that. We really appreciate. Just help us.
Can you go to the start button of your system?
Can I go to what?
The start icon. That Windows. Just click Windows keyboard. Keyboard.
Give me a
Have you
second,
seen-
please.
Can you hear me?
Give me a second, please.
Okay.
So do you want me to go to the Microsoft Store? Is that what you need me to do? Like where I can
Yes.
download apps and all?
Yes.
Okay, 1 second. That's it.
Yeah, and just click Power BI desktop and download it. But I don't know, I've not gotten to that stage in the what's it called, the module. So I don't know how they asked us to download it, what we're supposed to install and how. Why I said this was because someone like people not someone a data analyst said like it's better to install it from the Microsoft from the store so it updates automatically because Power BI they update it frequently. So that's why I said that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so is she going to
But
search
since
the
you're not sure, since you're not sure, and you've not tried it. I think we should just go with what we have for now,
Okay.
unless the way you can get a guide on how we can do that. That's what I think. Yeah.
Okay, someone is raising hand. And Chibuzo, you have an idea? Chibuzo,
Hi, good evening, everyone.
good evening.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes. So I'll just suggest we go with the one on. Okay. I'll just suggest we go with what we have on the material instructions we have there because even if we download from the web, right? The truth is, you still get notifications of any updates or upgrades. You get notifications on Power BI on that app, even if you download from if you download on the web and you download the application, you will still be getting periodic notifications of updates or upgrades. So whether you do, though, it's just that if you download from Windows, from the App Store rather, it will be done automatically, right? But in this case, with the one on the web, you get notifications of any upgrades at all. So I think we're still good, even if we
Okay.
don't.
Are we all voting this? Should we proceed?
Yes, let's just go with the one in the material.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much, everyone. All right. So let's Chika, are you there?
I'm with you.
All right. So go to products.
Where's that?
Product. Here. I'm saying here. No. Take your cursor up. No, up or up. At the where you have the Microsoft. No. So move forward a bit. You see products. No.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Same.
Yeah. So click on it. Click on. Wait, why is this one different? Okay, click on that first. Power BI.
Yeah.
But it's different. Why is it different? Click on it. We are back to this page. Go back to products. What is this? Click on Power BI. I don't know why we're having this. Okay. Click on it. Let me see what we have.
So which of them should I select?
No,
Power
this
BI
is
still?
yeah,
Because so all these ones are like mini
desktop. Let's see some.
stuff.
Click on the desktop.
Okay.
Okay.
Here?
Yes. So click on see download or language options. Okay, click on download. And click on the second one, which is and then download. So it's going to take a while. Let me see how many.